Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pay with your Apple Watch Ultra 3 via Apple Pay in stores. Paying in stores is very simple. All you need to do is have Apple Watch on your wrist and unlocked. So, when you take it off, there's a passcode. When you put it in, you enter the passcode and it's unlocked until you take it off again. And then when it's unlocked, you can double click on the side button below the crown like that, and it opens your card. Of course, if you have multiple ones, you can just slide between them to select a correct one and pay with it. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.